Obviously the journey won't be that easy, so you have to get rid of old roots to start new roots.
I've been introduced to beetroot in a whole new light.
Hey!
Welcome to another day in Manguzi. So today this was just about us being in the garden and having fun and cooking together. There's raised beds being established, harvesting from the garden for dinner, and lots of cooking and fun happening in the kitchen. Do.
Energy. Hey!
This is what compost looks like. It's just food.
Yes, cabbages, banana, there's potassium, there's yam leaves, there's cassava, peels, there's olives. It's richness back to the soil.
As someone who's become quite interested in living a healthy lifestyle, I think having your garden is really, really important. Firstly, because it connects you to the concept of food and where your food comes from, but also because there are really awesome micronutrients in the soil that actually act as antidepressants when they come into contact with your fingers. So gardening is actually a great way of working on your mental health and your mental clarity and releasing some much needed endorphins in your body.
In the compost, we shall eat again.
So why do you guys raise the bed? What's the significance?
So we digged it up to here, to our thighs, so that we put in more compost to feed in more nutrients, to have more food fed back into the ground, to work with all of this soil. Ital sand, white sand.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like back, feed back the nutrients, and
To the soil.
Yeah, back to the soil. In compost.
Yes, this is what compost looks like. It's just food.
Hey! We have a thing, a pumpkin, spinach, intanga. So basically you go for the soft leaves. You don't go for the big ones. Yes. Let me check that side and see if I can still get more. But my bowl is already happy.
In the garden, barefoot in the garden with Ananda.
Haki, go. Sikangala right here, Emanguzi, in Zulu on earth, Saka compost hold. Since the pumpkin has already started to say yes in this wonderful space.
Looking amazing.
And this is Forest, the forest man.
Yes. Yeah, so right now I'm busy removing these roots that is standing in the way. Obviously the journey won't be that easy, so you have to get rid of old roots to start new roots.
Yes.
So yes, that's the mission with the 6 feet.
So this was the first one, and I know it looked like a grave, but underneath there's compost. Then we also did plant some cassava. Yes, as the pumpkins still go all around. So what we also did, we started building around our campsite.
This was the first one. Then we did work on this one as well to do the leveling. And then the last but not least, it's that one. Yes, so we've been really doing a wonderful job and having so much fun.
Living that guy, and you don't even know him, but it's a process kind of thing.
And that's why I don't like the mangoes. The small ones. The big ones I like. The big.
I saw the big ones.
It's lit.
It would have been nice yesterday. Yeah, you'd be able to make the trip.
So post days in this journey on YouTube, Nomahlubi.
I've not posted much, honestly.
Is it for Zulu and Earth? Is it your personal? What kind of content?
So now they look so beautiful, but wow,
Wow.
they really look gorgeous.
Banana nama dates kunje. Yo aku sweet. Iushukela wethu ke lo.
Now ngibukani kufuna la.
Yeah.
Want our sugar?
Oh wow, that looks nice.
Ama dates ne banana. Long scrape lang spoon of this. Of going and trying that avenue. Cause vele mele ama date and banana. One banana.
I hope you're outside to sing on my island. You come out to the little thing.
Making pancake.
Yeah, boy.
They're using everywhere now.
Sikaze sikhulume ngonyokola nut. Angisho yazi kunekola nut for prayer. Kunale kola nut yokuthandaza. Lokwenza ama cultural prayers, traditional prayer. Like when you want to talk to your ancestor, kunale kola nut yokuthandaza. Le ngathi heart, yabona le ngathi avocado.
Yeah.
Lenga.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for prayer. Strictly to communicate with the ancestors.
Strictly.
It's ancestral. It's a trans thing.
Yeah, they cry, yo.
After lento uqeda ukwenza le kola le. Mina lesikhathi German bani ke manje awuthi ezizoza njalo.
What's a peach? What's a peach? What's the color?
Yeah. It is.
My head's busy.
Yam chips. Ah, Ayanda, that was like 2000 and something.
Also, no, 2000 ish. My kids.
7, 8.
They were trending for the whole week.
Yeah. Yo, Ayanda.
Awuthande the whole year.
I work with Jacob.
Namanje usatrend.
No, sesishone ey'ndabeni ukuthi
Yeah. Nemngcwabo wakho wavela ku-TV.
ukuthi kukhulunywa ngale nto
Sekuneshow ukuthi
ngiyithandela nembala hle.
What's this bunny work in progress? Right? Oh, it looks like wings.
Yes, ikho ngithi hayi wena. If you know, you know, ne? Ngoba shanga lethi guys, if you know.
She's a Barbie doll. She needs to get dressed and undressed. That's the game. You can brush my hair
is it a
and
men's
touch me
voice?
everywhere. No, it's literally it's
come on,
her.
Bobby. Let's go back.
Uken, hey, that's her boyfriend. Uken and Upabi. Upabi akafuni futhi actually.
akafuna ukuhamba
Uthe yeah. Uthe How bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Naba share kodwa ngicela bukani athi see my artwork. Bye.
Yes,
Did you add her? Oh, obvious.
Is she there?
The food is too much, guys. The food is enough for all of us here and inviting other 6 people here. Let me get something to dish this with.
I've been introduced to beetroot in a whole new light.
Cassava chips. That's nice.
With beetroot and sweet potato ikhona. Ngibonile nje yonke into ebengiyenza. Yes.
Get it on the.
Delicious. Let's see your plate.
This we need a spoon. That's how.
So divine. That's it from me. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.
Since I